Before starting, put the auto-generated YouTube subtitles in French or your mother tongue to get everything, and slow down or speed up the pace as needed. If you don't have time to watch it, just listen this video as a podcast while doing something else. Now listen and learn English as exploring our world. The universe is vast and mysterious, filled with billions of stars and planets. Are we alone? Is there anyone else out there? Driven by curiosity, humanity has reached out across the interstellar gulf. Messages encoded in light and radio waves, carrying our hopes and dreams. Searching for contact speaks volumes about who we are. We are explorers, driven by a thirst for knowledge and connection. Even a faint whisper of contact could illuminate our place in the universe. In 2023, the SETI Institute conducted a groundbreaking experiment called A Sign in Space. This project aimed to simulate the reception of an alien message. Imagine a powerful signal from a distant star detected by our telescopes. The signal carries a complex message, requiring a global effort to decipher. On May 24, 2023, a message was transmitted from the ExoMars Trace Gas Orbiter. The signal was received by ground-based telescopes worldwide. The global community then worked to decode the message, testing our readiness for a real extraterrestrial signal. The beauty of the A Sign in Space project lay in its ambition and open-ended nature. The SETI Institute invited the global community to participate in the decoding process. A message from an advanced extraterrestrial civilization wouldn't arrive conveniently translated. It would likely be encoded in a language we've never encountered. Decoding such a message would be a collective endeavor. The search for extraterrestrial intelligence transcends borders and disciplines. It's a journey best undertaken together, united by our shared curiosity. Let's take a detour into the realm of cosmic advertising. In 2008, Doritos beamed a 30-second ad towards a star system 42 light-years away. This act raises questions about our evolving relationship with the cosmos. Even in our quest to reach the stars, we bring our earthly baggage along. The message, traveling at light speed, will reach 47 Ursae Majoris in 2049. In the cosmic ocean, teeming with billions upon billions of stars, it's becoming increasingly clear that planets are not the exception, but the rule. For every star that glitters in the night sky, there are likely numerous worlds in orbit. Some are scorching gas giants, others icy dwarfs. But some, we believe, may harbor conditions not so different from our own. Gliese 581 Days, a planet located some 20 light-years away in the constellation Libra, was one such world that captured our attention. In 2009, using the power of the internet and radio astronomy, we beamed a message toward Gliese 581 Days, a digital postcard from Earth carrying with it the hopes and dreams of thousands of individuals across the globe. This Hello from Earth project, a collection of over 25,000 text messages, represents a poignant example of our innate desire to reach out, to connect with something beyond ourselves, even across the vast gulf of interstellar space. The message, traveling at the speed of light, embarked on its journey, a silent whisper hurled into the cosmic void. Each text message, a tiny bottle cast into the cosmic ocean, carrying within it a fragment of human experience. There's a certain poetry to this act, a recognition of our place in the universe, both insignificant and profound. We are but a small species on a small planet, yet we possess the audacity to dream, to wonder, to reach out into the cosmos. Will our message ever be received? Will it be understood? These are questions that may remain unanswered for generations, perhaps even millennia. But the act of sending it speaks volumes about who we are, a species driven by curiosity, a yearning for connection. And perhaps someday, far in the future, our message will reach a civilization on Gliese 581 Days, a testament to the enduring spirit of humanity, a beacon from a distant world, reminding them that they are not alone. Music, a universal language, a symphony of emotions expressed through sound, has the power to transcend boundaries, to connect us in ways words often cannot. And in 2008, we dared to share this universal language with the cosmos. In celebration of its 50th anniversary, NASA beamed the Beatles' iconic song Across the Universe towards Polaris, the North Star, a celestial beacon that has guided navigators for centuries. This act, a fusion of art and science, stands as a testament to our collective creativity. The song, carried on the wings of radio waves, embarked on its interstellar journey, a message of peace and harmony aimed at the heart of our galaxy. It's a beautiful thought, isn't it? That somewhere, out there, a civilization might one day encounter this musical message from Earth. Section 2. A Cosmic Serenade. Imagine, if you will, an alien civilization, perhaps more advanced than our own, intercepting this radio transmission from Earth. Would they recognize the melody, the rhythm, the emotion embedded within the music? Would they understand that it's a message of peace, a cosmic serenade from a distant world? It's a tantalizing thought, one that sparks the imagination and fuels our sense of wonder. The transmission of Across the Universe wasn't just about contacting extraterrestrial life, it was also a celebration of music, of human ingenuity, of our enduring fascination with the cosmos. It was a reminder that even in the face of the vastness of space, we are not insignificant. For in that moment, as the music of the Beatles soared through the cosmos, we became cosmic broadcasters, sharing our story with the universe, one note at a time. The year was 2001, the dawn of a new millennium. And who better to pen a message to the stars than the very generation that would inherit the future? A group of Russian teenagers were entrusted with this cosmic task. These young minds, brimming with curiosity and hope, crafted a message that reflected their dreams for the future, their hopes for peace and understanding, and their belief in the power of communication to bridge even the most unimaginable distances. This message, imbued with the idealism and optimism of youth, was transmitted from the Eupatoria planetary radar in Crimea, aimed at 6 sun-like stars located within a relatively close cosmic neighborhood, just 50 to 70 light-years away. The teenage message, much like the teenagers who created it, was filled with a sense of wonder and possibility. It included greetings in various languages, music reflecting Russian culture, and even a simple astronomical clock, a testament to our shared understanding of time. This act of reaching out, of sharing our culture and aspirations with the cosmos, is a powerful testament to the human spirit. It reminds us that even in the face of uncertainty, we never stop exploring, we never stop dreaming, and we never stop hoping. The teenage message serves as a reminder that the future of space exploration, and indeed the future of humanity itself, lies in the hands of the younger generation. It is their curiosity, their ingenuity, and their unwavering belief in a brighter tomorrow that will continue to propel us forward. Perhaps, one day, these teenagers, now adults, will witness their message reaching its intended recipients, sparking a conversation across the cosmos, a conversation that could change our understanding of our place in the universe. In Ukraine, the Eupatoria planetary radar stood ready for a cosmic conversation. Between 1999 and 2003, it transmitted cosmic calls. These messages were crafted with the language of mathematics and science. Like messages in a bottle, they were tossed into the vast ocean of space, hoping to connect, to know we are not alone in this vast cosmos. The cosmic calls were aimed at nearby stars, chosen for their potential to harbor life. These weren't random shots, but calculated attempts to reach specific destinations. One target was 55 Cancri, a binary star system 41 light-years away. This system hosts 5 planets, some in the habitable zone. Whether these messages will be received or understood remains to be seen. Sending them speaks volumes about our curiosity and desire to connect with the universe. In the annals of space exploration, few missions have captured the imagination like Voyager. Launched in 1977, the twin Voyager spacecraft embarked on a grand tour of the outer solar system. They carried a golden record etched with the sights, sounds, and greetings of humanity. The Voyager Golden Record is a message in a bottle, adrift on the cosmic sea. It's a testament to our curiosity and hope that we are not alone in the universe. Should it ever be intercepted by an alien civilization, it might offer a glimpse into who we were. This interstellar mixtape includes sounds from the crashing waves of our oceans to the laughter of children and the haunting melodies of classical music. Encoded on the record are over 100 images representing the diversity of life on Earth. How do you communicate with a civilization that may not share our senses, language, or culture? The creators of the Golden Record used the language of science and mathematics. Encased in aluminum, it conveys basic scientific information about our planet and cosmos. These diagrams are a cosmic Rosetta Stone. Science is a universal language, transcending culture and species. The Voyager spacecraft, now billions of miles away, carry our message to the stars. Before Voyager, there was Pioneer. In 1972 and 73, Pioneer 10 and 11 explored the outer solar system. Each carried a plaque, a cosmic calling card for alien civilizations. Crafted from gold anodized aluminum, it symbolizes our desire to communicate. A message in a bottle, cast into the vast cosmic ocean. Depicting a man and a woman, it signals our presence to the universe. Section 2. A Map Through the Galaxy. The Pioneer plaque is more than just a pretty picture. It's a message designed to convey our location in the cosmos. It's a cosmic treasure map leading back to our solar system. The plaque features a diagram of the hyperfine transition of neutral hydrogen. The radial pattern is a map to our corner of the Milky Way galaxy. At the center is our sun, with lines to 14 different pulsars. The Pioneer plaque is a testament to human curiosity and our hope that we are not alone in the cosmos. Nestled amongst the lush greenery of Puerto Rico, the Arecibo Observatory, with its colossal dish reaching towards the heavens, once stood as a testament to humanity's yearning for the cosmic other. It was from this very platform in 1974 that we aimed a powerful beam of radio waves towards a cluster of stars some 25,000 light-years away, a cosmic message in a bottle known as the Arecibo message. This meticulously crafted message, designed by a team led by Frank Drake, was a bold declaration of our existence. It encoded, in the language of mathematics and science, fundamental information about who we are and where we come from. Imagine, for a moment, the audacity and hope embedded within that signal as it raced across the cosmos at the speed of light. The Arecibo message was brief, a mere 3 minutes in duration, yet it contained a wealth of information. Encoded within its 1,679 binary digits were representations of our numbering system, the chemical building blocks of life, the structure of our DNA, and even a rudimentary image of a human being. The odds of this message being intercepted by an alien civilization are, to be frank, astronomically slim. The vast distances involved mean that even if our message does reach its intended destination, a response wouldn't reach us for tens of thousands of years. But the Arecibo message was never just about making contact. It was about pushing the boundaries of our technological capabilities, about announcing our presence to the cosmos, and perhaps most importantly, about inspiring future generations to continue the search. It was a testament to our insatiable curiosity, our desire to understand our place in the grand tapestry of the cosmos, and our unwavering belief that we are not alone. Though the Arecibo Observatory is no more, its legacy, like the faint echo of its message traveling through the cosmos, continues to resonate. The Arecibo message stands as a symbol of our cosmic optimism, a beacon of human ingenuity, reminding us that even in the face of the vastness of space, we dare to dream of connecting with something beyond ourselves. The year was 1962. The Cold War cast a long shadow across the globe, a time of geopolitical tension and technological one-upmanship. Yet, even amidst this climate of uncertainty, the human spirit, ever driven by curiosity, found itself drawn to the stars. In a pioneering effort, Soviet scientists aimed a powerful radio transmitter towards Venus, our closest planetary neighbor. This wasn't just any transmission, it was a message encoded in the simple yet elegant language of Morse code. A message that simply spelled out the word MIR, meaning both peace and world in Russian. This endeavor, though seemingly rudimentary by today's standards, marked a pivotal moment in our quest to reach out to the cosmos. It was a testament to the power of human ingenuity, a demonstration that even in the midst of global conflict, we could still find common ground in our shared fascination with the universe. The choice of Venus as the recipient of this message was no accident. Venus was often romanticized as Earth's twin, a potential haven for life. Though we now know Venus is inhospitable, the 1962 transmission reminds us of our evolving understanding. This Morse message represented a bold step into the unknown, a cosmic greeting card. It was a testament to our desire to connect and reach out to the vastness of space. From the powerful radio burst beamed from Arecibo to the simple elegance of a Morse code message sent to Venus, humanity has embarked on a remarkable journey of cosmic communication. Each message, whether etched onto a golden record or encoded in binary digits, represents our hope that we are not alone in the universe. As we explore the cosmos, peering deeper into the universe's expanse, the search for extraterrestrial intelligence reflects our humanity. It is a journey driven by our desire to connect and understand. And while we may never know if our messages will be received, the act of reaching out speaks volumes about who we are